Hello everyone, welcome to Page Team Rise. I'm Savdy, and today we will keep going on lesson 28 about Jesus teaching part 1. And in this video, we're going to learn 5 vocabulary words together. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first word we have rude. Rude. Rude spell R-U-D-E. Rude. For example, it's rude to make fun of your boss in public. It's rude to make fun of your boss in public. Rude. Second word is selfish. Selfish. Spell S-E-L-F-I-S-H. Selfish. For example, I can't tell you how selfish is this. I can't tell you how selfish is this. Selfish. Third is polite. Polite. Polite spell P-O-L-I-T-E. Polite. For example, all the students in this class are very polite. All the students in this class are very polite. Polite. Next is gentle. Gentle. Gentle spell G-E-N-T-L-E. Gentle. For example, she spoke to the children in a gentle voice. She spoke to the children in a gentle voice. The last we have strict. Strict. Strict spell S-T-R-I-C-T. Strict. For example, both of my parents are not strict with me. Both of my parents are not strict with me. Okay, everyone, good job. Now, please repeat after me. Are you ready? Okay, the first word is rude. Rude. Second, selfish. Selfish. Third, polite. Polite. 4, gentle. Gentle. And the last is strict. Strict. Great job, everyone. Thank you so much for spending time watching this video. Please try to remember all of these words and don't forget to make sentence or sentences by using 5 vocabulary words. And if you want us to help check, please leave it in a comment. If you do it right, we will give a thumb up. And if you want to learn more with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link. And I will see you next time in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.